My name is Nadia Shakoor. I am a principal investigator at the Danforth Plant Science Center. I'm also the chief scientific officer at Agrella Ecosystems. So at the Danforth Center, I have a research lab, and in my laboratory, essentially, we study a number of crops, specifically one crop called sorghum, and we are looking at how it performs in the real world. And so along those lines, we've developed a technology called the Ph.D. It's an environmental sensing station, so it's collecting any variable that we can measure from the environment. So looking at rainfall, looking at wind speed, looking at temperature, humidity. We also have soil probes that look at soil moisture and soil temperature. There's a camera on the system that sort of just monitors the field as well. So we're collecting high temporal resolution data to better inform our decisions. The goal for the Ph.D. is to have a robust, reliable system that captures really high-quality environmental data so researchers as well as breeders can make better decisions on which lines to advance in their field, understand better what's happening in their environment and how their product is performing in the real world. I'm really proud of how far this company has come. We started almost 10 years ago as a startup out of the Donald Danforth Plant Science Center. We commercialized our technology just a couple of years ago. Originally the Ph.D. was designed for researchers like myself, but now we've expanded into other categories, including, smart infrastructure and specialty crops. I'm just really excited about where this data can take us, with AI and everything kind of happening in that world, in that space. Having high quality data being collected and understood and translated is really going to help push agriculture further, faster. St. Louis, it's the center for world-class plant science. There's great institutions here. Also, there's a real passion here for agriculture, but also translation of agriculture and getting those innovations to the farmer. So I think that sort of combination makes St. Louis quite unique.